Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit WooCommerce cart page. Let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the pages of my website. So just head over and scroll down until you can see your cart page right here. Head over and click on this edit option in order to edit it to your heart's content. So on default, this will open the block editor of WordPress, but you can also choose another editor such as Elementor, Classic Editor, or Gutenberg Editor. So this is what it looks like. These things right here are just place order or placeholder for this particular items that we have. So as you can see, we have in here the cart options, the ones that we have added to our cart, as well as that you may be interested in, which is the related products for our cart. Now you can see that we have this plus icon right here, wherein you can add the block, or you can also put in here the shipping options that we have available. So you can head over and then tweak the shipping on your WooCommerce or WordPress dashboard. So if you want to add few elements, click on this add right here and you can choose to add paragraphs, images separator, or if you want to see all of the things that you have, click on this plus right here. And you can see some blocks such as this free-formatted, table, classic, AI assistant right here. So for example, let's use this AI assistant and let's add it right here. So this AI assistant will enable buyers to actually get answers without having to contact us. We just need to program it to our liking for this case. So just head over and add in here this AI assistant that you want to use for this case, and you should be good to go with this particular one. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you soon.